Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. All of you, welcome to third part of your geometry class. First two parts, we learn to draw angles of different sizes. Some angles are 70 degrees and some angles are 110 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees and so on. We got different measurement in each angles. Angles can be divided into 6 types based on its sizes, which are acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and zero angle. Let us study in detail what each angle is. Okay. Before that, let us learn how to construct an angle using protractor. Write heading in your notebook with today's date: construction of angle. Construction of angle. We know how to measure an angle using protractor. Today, let us learn how to construct an angle using protractor with given sizes. Right, first question. Construct an angle XYZ of 140 degrees. Construct an angle XYZ of 140 degrees. Let us first see how we can draw angles using a protractor. To construct an angle, we need to follow some steps. First, draw a ray by your ruler and we name this ray is YZ. So, we have a ray YZ here. We will draw an angle from this point Y. Now, take the protractor. Keep the center of the point at Y. This is the center point of this protractor. Keep the center point of the protractor at point Y, such that this line is zero line, corresponds to line YZ. So, YZ should coincide with this zero line in the protractor. Okay, count from the point Z, that is zero angle. Okay, now mark the point corresponding to 140 degrees. Look here, 140 degrees. If you observe, you will see that there is two 140 degrees written on the protractor. One is here 140, the other one is here 140. Look here. Okay. So, there are two 140s written on protractor. Which one should you take? We have taken this zero. The zero written at the bottom. Okay. Because ray YZ coincide with this zero. So, we have taken this zero. So, we will take this inner scale 140 corresponding to this zero. Okay, that is 140 written at the bottom. Look here. Okay, mark point X corresponding to 140 degrees. Then remove the protractor and draw a line from point Y to mark the point. That is line XY. Then write the measure of the angle as angle XYZ is equal to 140 degrees. Let us see to construct angles in different sizes. All of you clear? Okay. Then we move to next topic. Types of angles. Right heading, types of angles. First one, acute angle. Right heading, acute angle. What is acute angle? Write the statement. If the angle is less than 90 degrees, it is called an acute angle. If the angle is less than 90 degrees. If the angle is less than 90 degrees, it is called an acute angle. Okay, 90 less than 90 degrees. Suppose 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 40, 50, 60, 70 less than 90 degrees. This type of angle we call acute angle. Example of acute angles are angle LMN is equal to 55 degrees, angle PQR is equal to 70 degrees, angle ABC is equal to 20 degrees. Draw two acute angles in your notebook. Angle LMN in 60 degrees, angle ABC in 20 degrees. Pause the video and you draw two acute angle in your notebook. Angle LMN in 60 degree, angle ABC in 20 degrees. Okay, second type of angle, right angle. If the angle is exactly 90 degrees, it is called right angle. If the angle is exactly 90 degrees, it is called right angle. Write the statement under the heading of right angle. If the angle is exactly 90 degrees, it is called right angle. Draw one right angle in your notebook. Angle HIJ is equal to 90 degrees. Pause the video and write and draw an angle size of 90 degrees. That is right angle. Okay. Next, third one, obtuse angle. Right heading, obtuse angle. If the angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, such angle is called obtuse angle. If the angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, for example, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, 140 degrees, 170 degrees. If the angle is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees, such angle is called obtuse angle. It is always more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Okay. Draw one obtuse angle. Angle ABC is equal to 150 degrees. Draw one obtuse angle in your notebook. Pause the video and draw angle ABC of 150 degrees. Fourth one, straight angle. What is straight angle? If we draw a line across the another line, we know there will be intersection point and there are two angles. The total measure of those two angles will be 180 degrees. If one angle is 65 degrees, the next angle will be 155 degrees. If the total measure of angles in a straight line is equal to 180 degrees, it is called straight angles. Draw a straight angle and measure its size. Next one, reflex angle. Reflex angle. A reflex angle is the larger angle. It is always more than 180 degrees. A reflex angle is the larger angle. It is always more than 180 degrees. Okay. Last one, zero angle. An angle with a measure of 0 degrees is called a zero angle. Consider two rays. One of the ray rotating toward the other ray until they both lie in the same line. Here, one ray OB lie exactly on top of the ray OA. Look the screen. So there is no angle here. So its measure always 0 degree. Okay. Let us end today's class here. Today we learned about construction of angle in different sizes using protractors and different types of angles. Please note your homework, page number 149, exercise number 8.2. Draw the angles using your protractor. Name the type of angle. Then that means you need to write down what types of angle: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, and so on. Draw neatly and clearly. Your homework, send it to school WhatsApp. Next class we will discuss about other important geometrical figures. Okay, thank you.